Life unfolds as a rich tapestry of experiences, woven together by countless opportunities to confront and overcome challenges. For those who sense a higher calling or believe they are destined for something more profound, this journey is often laden with obstacles. These hurdles are not random misfortunes, but are crafted to help you realize your fullest potential and achieve your divine purpose. The path of the chosen ones is characterized by continuous tests and trials, each one pushing you towards deeper self-awareness and fulfillment. From the very moment of birth, life presents its initial set of challenges. The transition from the warmth and safety of the womb to the outside world is the first significant struggle. Learning to breathe, adjusting to new sensations, and understanding the mechanics of feeding oneself are foundational experiences that set the stage for all future challenges. As you grow and develop, these early struggles evolve, reflecting the increasing complexity of your journey. As a child, you face challenges that are largely about learning and adapting. These might include developing basic motor skills, mastering language, and forming social connections. Each of these milestones presents its own set of trials and errors, helping you build resilience and adaptability. As you move into adolescence, your challenges become more complex. Navigating social dynamics, academic pressures, and the search for identity all contribute to your personal growth. Entering adulthood brings a new set of challenges. The pressures you face might include managing relationships, career demands, and personal responsibilities. You may encounter the need to guide others, whether it's through leadership roles, mentorship, or parenting. Balancing these responsibilities while staying true to your spiritual path can be incredibly demanding. In adulthood, you might also face significant personal losses. The death of a loved one, the end of a meaningful relationship, or serious health issues can all be profoundly challenging. These experiences test your faith and resilience, often leading you to question the purpose and direction of your life. Despite these difficulties, maintaining your divine mission becomes crucial. You might feel isolated or alienated, as if you are different from those around you. This sense of separation can be amplified by your spiritual gifts, which, while powerful, can sometimes lead to feelings of misunderstanding and disconnection. When you are called upon to share spiritual insights or messages, especially if it is outside your usual comfort zone, you are engaging in a process of self-discovery and growth. Overcoming fear and expanding your comfort zone are essential for personal development. Each time you step out of your comfort zone and face your fears, you gain confidence and experience personal growth. This process not only helps you overcome obstacles, but also strengthens your ability to face future challenges. Publicly sharing your spiritual insights can be particularly challenging. You might worry about how others will perceive you or fear being judged or misunderstood. These fears are common among those who feel called to share their spiritual journey. However, by confronting these fears, you open yourself to new opportunities for growth and understanding. Each experience of sharing and connecting with others deepens your own spiritual journey and helps you refine your message. The challenges faced by those on a spiritual path can be diverse, ranging from mundane issues to deeply complex problems. Each challenge is a part of the fabric of your reality and serves as a testament to your resilience and determination. While your personal challenges might feel overwhelming at times, it's important to remember that everyone faces their own set of difficulties. These challenges are a universal aspect of the human experience, though they manifest differently for each individual. A key aspect of the chosen one's journey is spiritual awakening. This process is not sudden, but rather a gradual unfolding of awareness and consciousness. Spiritual awakening might manifest through vivid dreams, unexplained noises, or waking up at unusual hours. These occurrences, though disorienting, signal a deeper connection to the spiritual realm and the beginning of a significant transformation in your consciousness. As you progress on your spiritual path, You may notice that people, especially strangers, are drawn to you. This attraction might be due to your heightened spiritual presence or a magnetic quality that draws those in need of guidance or healing. These encounters are not mere coincidences, but are reflections of the divine light within you. It's essential to use discernment in these interactions, recognizing who genuinely needs help and who might have ulterior motives. Additionally, you might find that animals and small children are particularly attracted to you. Animals, with their heightened sensitivity to vibrations, and children, with their instinctive responses, are often drawn to the high and welcoming energy you emit. This attraction is a clear sign of your spiritual growth and the purity of your energy. Animals and children are often able to sense the positive energy and spiritual light that you carry. Waking up between 3 and 4 a.m., often referred to as the witching hour or magic hour, can also hold significance. This period is believed to be a time when spiritual activity is heightened and the veil between the physical and spiritual worlds is thinner. If you find yourself awake during this time, it may be an opportunity to engage in meditation, prayer, or reflection. Such moments can provide valuable insights or solutions to ongoing challenges, offering clarity and guidance on your spiritual journey. Embarking on a path of self-discovery and spiritual growth adds a deeper dimension to your life. This journey involves recognizing and overcoming personal limitations and illusions. The process of awakening may bring about feelings of doubt, anxiety, or a sense of disconnection from your former self. These feelings, while challenging, are part of the journey towards greater self-awareness and understanding. Your current physical existence serves as preparation for a higher state of being. The challenges you face now are designed to help you grow and prepare for a more elevated existence. The concept of a greater life involves not just a transition after physical death, but an evolution into a higher state of moral and intellectual development. This evolution requires overcoming current limitations and rising above lower instincts. The greater life represents a state where higher reason and feeling prevail, and lower instincts are no longer present. This transformation is a gradual process that requires persistent effort and self-improvement. As you face and overcome difficulties, you prepare yourself for this elevated state of being. Understanding that every challenge is an opportunity for growth allows you to harness your inner light and move closer to your divine purpose. In times of sadness and difficulty, it's important to remember that overcoming these challenges plays a crucial role in your growth. Forgiveness, both of yourself and others, is a significant aspect of this process. Embracing kindness and letting go of control are powerful tools in navigating your journey. Kindness towards yourself and others reflects your inner values and contributes to creating a more positive world. Letting go involves surrendering expectations and accepting life as it is. This process is not a sign of weakness, but of profound strength and wisdom. By releasing the need to control outcomes, you open yourself to a sense of peace and freedom. This state of surrender allows you to face challenges with greater serenity and resilience. Letting go helps you navigate difficulties with a sense of acceptance and tranquility. You are part of a collective journey, and your spiritual path contributes to a broader transformation. Embracing unity over separation and understanding your interconnectedness with others can lead to significant positive changes. By aligning with this collective consciousness, you help foster peace and harmony. Your actions and growth have a ripple effect, influencing those around you and contributing to a more harmonious world. The impact of your awakening on both an individual and societal level will be profound. It will bring about fundamental changes, transforming fear and discord into freedom and trust. As you continue on this path, you may start to recall past life memories, reconnect with spiritual guides, or awaken latent abilities. These experiences are natural parts of your spiritual evolution and contribute to the broader shift in consciousness. Even amidst confusion and chaos, remember that the journey is carefully guided to minimize risks and challenges. Despite the difficulties you face, you are supported by the divine and will encounter only what you are capable of overcoming. Staying vigilant and practicing spiritual self-care will help you navigate this journey successfully. The divine support you receive ensures that you are equipped to handle the challenges that come your way. Practicing spiritual self-care involves nurturing your well-being and maintaining a connection with your inner self. This might include regular meditation, prayer, or other practices that help you stay grounded and centered. Self-care is essential for maintaining your spiritual health and resilience as you navigate your journey. Vigilance in this context means staying aware of your inner state, recognizing when you need to take a step back, and being mindful of your spiritual practices. Your role as a chosen one is significant, and your efforts in overcoming challenges will guide you toward enlightenment. Trust in the process, remain authentic, and understand that you are an integral part of a larger cosmic journey. By embracing and overcoming obstacles, you contribute to a more unified and enlightened world. Your journey is not only about personal growth, but also about contributing to the collective evolution of humanity. Enlightenment is not a final destination, but a continuous journey of growth and understanding. As you progress on your path, you will encounter new challenges and opportunities for growth. Each experience, whether challenging or uplifting, contributes to your overall spiritual development. Embracing this journey with an open heart and a willingness to learn will help you achieve greater levels of enlightenment and fulfillment. In summary, the path of the chosen ones is marked by a series of challenges and opportunities for growth. These obstacles are designed to help you realize your potential and fulfill your divine purpose. By embracing these challenges, you contribute to your personal development and the broader transformation of the world. Trust in the process, remain true to your path, and continue to strive towards greater self-awareness and enlightenment.